my name is Lysa Migliorati. I'm a project manager senior working on the designs for the new relaunch of the Magic ship.
So talk about what your goals were heading into this redesign of the Magic.
It's a spectacular ship to begin with, but we wanted to make it even more spectacular. There are a lot of lessons learned from the Dream and the Fantasy that we wanted to bring back into the Magic, and that's what we've been focusing on.
What are some of the examples of how those two ships are influencing what you're able to do with this new ship?
There's a lot of great designs that we did on the Dream and the Fantasy. I'll give you an example, the kids' spaces. Those are fantastic. And you can have a look at the Avengers Academy. That's something brand new that we're bringing to the Magic. We're bringing all the Marvel characters, and we're bringing some new technologies and a lot of things that are really, really fun. So I'll talk a little bit about Avengers Academy. What it is it's where you learn to become a superhero, so it's really fun. It's sort of this experience that takes place over the entire cruise. So our little guests, they get scanned to see what superpower that they have, and we get to tell them, oh, you have this superpower, this is the character, this is this is a superhero power that you have. So throughout your cruise, we're going to develop that and train you to become this superhero. So it's really fun because it's an experience that takes place throughout the entire cruise.
How are you incorporating elements from the movie into that experience?
We have all these cool props, like we'll actually have the Iron Man suit in the space, we're going to have the Thor hammer. So there's all these really fun little pieces from the movies that the kids can really see and interact with, so it'll be fun.
And you're going to be scanning the kids in early on, but will there be interactive experiences for them? I understand there's going to be audio and video accompanying the experience in the room as well?
Yeah, so the whole room is programmed, so when the kids get scanned and they see their superpower, there'll be an accompanying effect with that. So it's sort of a full experience within the whole room. And then, of course, the counselors, they're great, and they really add to that experience, and they work with the kids throughout the entire cruise.
And there's a big video screen there as well, so you incorporating, or will you have elements from the various movies as part of the experience?
Correct. So throughout the kids' spaces, there's a lot of video screens. We have like a big 103-inch monitor that is right at the center when you walk into the Oceaneer Club, and it's the same use that we have on the other ships. There's big movies, there's games, there's all sorts of things that happen. We have a really neat interactive touch table that they can play games. So. We do have a lot of technology, but we don't want to forget the side that is non-technology oriented, which is focusing on groups and activities and crafts and games. So there's a good balance of both, and that's what we try to focus on.
On the other ships, you guys have incorporated characters where they get involved with the games, like Stitch, for example. Will there be an element like that for the Avengers side of things?
We do have characters that come into the space, so there's some things that are still in the works and are going to be good surprises for the guests.